A. Fuck, okay. I mean, I think I'll be fine.
No, you should be fine. If you get wiped by that thing, then you deserve to play it.
I deserve not to play this game. Okay.
Definitely uninstall and never try again.
Bruh, this knows Rain Dance? Are you fucking kidding me? So Torchic does less damage. Oh my god. Wait, this thing knows Light Screen too? It's literally countering my strategy of like sniping it from a mile away. Let me use Helping Hand. Oh, I froze it!
Ooh, so I can't attack now.
Yeah, so it's CC'd right now. So right now, since there's rain, Torchic isn't going to be doing a lot of damage, so I think it's just better to increase the team's DPS by using Helping Hand. Shit. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh, wait. It still has light screen? I thought it just went away. Oh, okay. We still won anyway. Okay, cool. Oh, this thing's gonna f up my Trico.
I won't. No way.
Fire, flying, both of those typings are good against grass types.
Wait, how do you feel?
Oh
How do you feel as a legendary Pokemon? You get taken out by a Mudkip. It's like, man, you work so hard, and you have such a high regard. You know?
Mudkip missed that.
Flamethrower.
Oh my god. Okay, wait. I need to like walk. I need to not be standing near everyone.
There's no way. They're just gonna tank it. Like Mudkip's gonna take him.
Oh
out.
no.
Oh yeah, he's down. He got one. Oh,
He's stuck getting my Trico. Oh no, I should not have brought Trico in here.
It's fine, look at him.
Should I like, I don't have any items to help me tank stuff.
Fine, you know, you'll burst him down. Mudkip got this.
Okay, wait, I have draining attacks. Okay,
Yeah,
that's good.
It'll be fine, it'll self-sustain.
Wait, he didn't attack? I'm surprised he didn't use Sunny Day.
Its attack pattern should change, don't they? Don't they do that in most RPG games?
I mean, I don't think...
Oh, you can choose the moves?
Yes!
What? But like, you're not... Oh, man.
Oh wait, we won.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, well, that was so much easier than Zapdos. It's Articuno. Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is another one that my Trico just gets absolutely done because it's an ice type. Let me just hope that Torchic just carries because Torchic's a fire type.
It's gonna melt that thing. Literally.
Oh, I think Mudkip and oh!
Oh, they got frozen.
They got frozen! Oh my god,
You better
wait.
heal, you better heal.
I can't move. So like the game.
Torchic, what about Torchic?
No, I can't control torches because right now I'm controlling
Okay,
Trico, so I
there
need
you
a.
go, heal up.
Actually, let me do like a draining attack. So I won't be at full health, but it's like at least I won't survive. Like I won't die on the next.
But your team is still taking it though. You're still
Yeah, like because I'm super over leveled right now. Oh my god.
Oh, that was a
Okay.
strong attack.
Oh my god. Like I'm just gonna keep going. Oh,
Oh, you
yes,
you killed it.
okay.
You didn't even have to use it.
Yeah, we didn't. This was much easier than Zapdos and Moltres. Hey, we did it.
Woohoo! Thinking about it, all the legendary birds are lazy designs. They're all
No,
birds.
they're not lazy.
They're all
designs.
lazy designs. They're all based off of, like a different theme, but they're all essentially the same bird with a longer tail, a longer
No.
head. Yeah.
So basically, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres.
Yeah.
So Articuno is based off, I think, Quetzalcoatl,
Yeah.
which is a bird from Central or South America.
Mm-hmm.
Then Zapdos is based off the Thunderbird, which was a mythological animal, and then Moltres is a phoenix.
Phoenix, yeah.
So
And what about Ho? What is Ho?
Ho is also another phoenix, but I think Ho is more of like the Chinese kind of Oriental kind of phoenix. Meanwhile,
It's the one
or-
we don't talk about.
yeah, Moltres is just like chicken on fire.
Chicken on fire. It's
It's just
it's literally KFC, man.
This is chicken on fire.